Hello guys, I'm Shreya. Today I will make a dress for 4 to 5 years old baby girl using a shari. I will make this dress in a very simple process. I cut two pieces of 4-inch by 10-inch size fabric and cut two pieces of 25-inch by 30-inch size fabric. If you see my whole video, whoever did not sew, they can also make this dress very easily. We will make a beautiful dress with 4 pieces of cloth. I will first take a large piece of cloth and fold the edges and sew it. When sewing is done, take 6-inch size and mark. If you follow these steps well, you will easily make this dress. Now the stitches part will be folded and stitched along the marked line. Now it is stitched. Now I will take an elastic. It measures 1.5 inch by 10 inch. Since the elastic is 1.5 inch wide, I will continue to mark with 1.5 inch size here. Now draw a long line. Now sew along this line. After sewing, insert the safety pins in the elastic and insert it into this section. I will sew this elastic one side with the cloth first. Now take the elastic on the other side and sew it to the fabric. Now I will attach another same color cloth to the lower part of the cloth. Now I will cut off the extra cloth. We have to do the same process for another big cloth. Now fold and sew the small cloths and straighten them with a safety pin. Now take a big cloth and mark 2 inch to the right and 2 inch to the left from the middle. I will sew small cloths from the side of this marking. Sewing on one cloth is complete, mark another cloth, sew one end of the small cloths to it. I will sew the two sides of the two big cloths. Now our dress is complete. I will sew a flower here to give it a more beautiful and gorgeous look. If you want to know how I made this flower, then don't forget to check the description or comment box. Hope you will like this simple but beautiful elegant dress. If you like it, give it a like and comment and let me know how you feel. Please support this channel by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.